Alright, here we go. What are you gonna lock it for?
Huh? I want to go in and look at something real fast.
Well, make it real fast.
Make it fast.
Here's the Riley setup. Not bad. Inmans are right there next to us. Nice little campground. These people are from Delaware. Right here on the lake. Tent sites available over there. This is site 62 and 63. Bathhouse in the back over there. Nice clean showers, hot water. The campground is packed for this weekend. And it's not even summertime yet. But I guess it's camping season. This section, I guess, is the back section. It's a little more, I guess, secluded and off the beaten track. The front section is got the playground and a little tighter backing in up there, but overall this is a really nice campground. Cabin looks pretty nice, clean. So let's go check out this bridge in this lake.
We're gonna head back then.
Here we are out on the little island. Videotaping. This is the little island. This is a catch and release pond. Fish, obviously. And that's our campsite right there. Not too far at all from the lake. Pretty nice. Just started raining, but the sun's trying to poke through. Goose nest over here. In the background there, you can see the jumpy pillow and the little playground. Little dog run. Well, Linus here, and he didn't do anything. So, that's your propane filling station. Some little pedal cars. Pedal around the park, I guess. Nice little camp store. Some more showers. This is the entrance park here. $5 miles an hour. Usual camp speed limit. Nice. Nice little camp store. Got pretty much everything you need here. Just a little store. Oh, it has everything.
So I'm like, I don't know, this is typical that I don't really want to know.
Just hold that down.
It's like,
Very cool.
yeah.
Is that as much as they got for